Here we are in Turin. We're at the Iveco electric vehicle launch, and here we're going to have a quick look round and just have a quick drive of this 42, which is a 4.25 GVW, making the most of the new EU laws that are coming in, allowing people to drive on a B licence up to 4.25 tons. So, main thing in terms of batteries, they have three batteries. This vehicle's got two. Each battery is around about 37 kilowatt hours usable. So this has got two, so that makes it 74 kilowatt hours, and you can have a maximum of 111 kilowatt hours. Each pack is weighing about 270 kilograms. As far as the motor is concerned, this is 140 kilowatts. If you convert that, and this is what Iveco are doing now, if you remember, normally the nomenclature with the 42 means it's 4.2, and then normally have a number which is brake horsepower. For electric vehicles, they're actually doing it on kilowatts. So in fact, this vehicle is 140, so it will be seen as a 14. That equates to around about 190 brake horsepower. Last but not least, charging. It gets an AC, a 22 kilowatt hour charger, and in fact, the charging is done there, which is really great. I love the idea. Again, one of the biggest problems with some vehicles is the charge point is where the old fuel diesel filler was, and it means you have to actually park across bays with a big van. Here you can go straight into the bay like this. So 22 kilowatt AC is available as the standard, and then also DC charging a maximum of 80 kilowatts. Well, I think that's enough about the technical side of it. Let's go and have a go and take it outside and have a bit of a drive. Here we are inside the Daily now, and first thing you notice is the fact that in the dash we've got the speed on the left hand side, we've got the state of charge of the battery on the right hand side, the indicators, and then by the side of me here I've got the auto box, if you like, in terms of that, and then last but not least the infotainment system and heating and ventilation is on there as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to start, and again, electronic handbrake. We're just going to put this literally into drive, and we're going to move off, just checking all the mirrors. Setting off, we've got three power settings: eco, natural and power, and then also we've got three regen settings. One pedal, which means you can just on and off, no problem whatsoever, and then we've got sailing, and then last but not least we've got the standard one as well. So again, I'm just making sure I'm on the right hand side of the road, which is important. It's so quiet, really quiet, and you expect that off an electric vehicle, but it's even quieter, and I've driven enough, probably about 15 or 20 electric vehicles now, but I must say I'm really impressed. I took it out earlier on and we went around the city. I think I had about 185 kilometers on the vehicle when I started. I actually ended up with an extra 3 kilometers on stop start, but I did use the aggressive side of the Regen, and I also was on the eco mode as well. So yeah, if you drive an electric vehicle properly in the city, in an urban, this is the middle of Turin, it was at 4:30, 5 o'clock in the afternoon, there's a heck of a lot of stop starting, and you can actually put mileage or kilometers back into the battery if you use it right. Now, on the right hand side and the infotainment system, I've got, first of all, the top one tells me the power I'm putting in and out. So if I do that, then I'm putting power in with a minus, and if I put my foot down again, that's putting power out, so you can tell you what's going on. This takes me the state of battery as it stands at the moment, and that's also got now the kilometers I can use. So again, really great little information system. If you want to change, when it comes to the power modes, they get changed by here. That's a standard or natural. That's the power mode, natural and eco, so the buttons change and the color changes as well. And then if you want to, when you go to actually the regen settings, are set up on here, and then move forward, that tells me later on, if I look on that, I'm actually on regenerative braking. I pull it back one, I can go on to one pedal drive, and one more I can go on to the standard drive. So Very, very simple indeed, really nice, very comfortable, and a nice big cab, which you expect from Daily anyway. But that's a quick look at this vehicle. Well, last but not least to say is it's a chassis cab, so it's got a conversion and it uses an ePTO. ePTOs are standard. It's got electronic or a mechanical, based around 15 kilowatts, which is what they have, and also they have a 2.5 kilowatt as well, which is available as well. So you've got 3 ePTO settings: 2.5, 15 electronic, and 15 mechanical as well. So depending on what you're doing, whether you've got a fridge or you've got a tipper or something like that, they have that also available. So that's it, quick look at the new Iveco Daily, and yeah, pretty impressed by it.